Hello beautiful, this is the Caribbeantan Darkening Drops. The Darkening Drops is a pure concentrate of tanning solution which provides an instant dark color to any self-tan product, shimmer cream or body butter. The Darkening Drop is an instant wash-off color that stains the skin but does not include the self-tan active ingredient DHA which develops your tan over 4 to 6 hours. Start by adding only a few drops and increase when needed. Darkening drops can be used for body contouring or to make specific areas darker than others. For a soft, immediate but wash-off tan, add to our shimmer cream. For a very deep dark tan, add to our Caribbeantan Spritzer C. This is ideal for the fitness industry, bodybuilders, dancers, and anyone else that wants an initial darker tan. Strictly use the mitten when applying darkening drops and use with caution. Wash your hands with soap and water after use. The darkening drops will stain hands, clothes, and any other objects. I hope you enjoy your Caribbeantan Darkening Drops.